Because how I started out, I came from varicose veins, and then I spotted this. That's how this all started. Yeah. My name is Wanda Davis. I am 71 years old, and I'm a patient at the Vascular Center with Dr. Martini. In 2014, I had my left knee replacement. I was off work for 4 months, and I had 3 months of drooling physical therapy. On June 11th, I had the GAE surgery. I was back to work within 2 weeks, and before the GAE surgery, I couldn't hardly make it up the steps or down the steps without some assistance with holding on. I definitely could not walk or even try to get into my car unless I set a certain way to bring my knees around without pain. That was one thing that really bothered me, because if I did anything, the first thing it would be like, ouch. And plus I'm an avid bowler, so I wanted to get my knee in shape so that I would be able to enjoy work and also my other activities. Before the GAE procedure, my pain was a 10. It started out where they gave me 30 sessions of physical therapy from the ortho place. And what I did is every morning at 7:30, I would get up in the morning and go to these drooling exercises. I had my appointment to come here, and I was just sitting in the waiting room, and I saw the pamphlet that really changed my life. The staff was phenomenal, and Dr. Martini was too. They made me feel very comfortable. They explained everything to me. And I'm not a fear person, so I just come right in like this is going to be something to help me, and I appreciated their help. Now I don't have that kind of pain at all. I can do all of my activities. I can get in and out of my car without any kind of distress. I can walk up and down stairs without any distress. I can also definitely practice in bowling, but I'm waiting on a big tournament where hopefully I win after I have my brand new knee. I'm the one been passing around a lot of pamphlets. I went to a restaurant, which was Taboon in Grand Blanc, and I saw the pamphlets there, and I go, oh ladies, you won't believe I had this 2 weeks ago. And they go, you're in here in the restaurant? I said, that's what it does. It gives you the ability to be able to go anywhere you want without any kind of distress. I would recommend this procedure to anyone. God bless him, and thank him very much for giving me back a life that I was dealing with for over 10 years after my knee replacement, and he gave me back something that I've been looking for. And in fact, I can cross my legs after 10 years of not having this surgery from a knee replacement. So anybody want to do it, this is the place to come.